Do you have finished? Yes, ma'am. Who's going to share your opinion first? Come on, Ritvik. I'm grateful for this because it gives me oxygen and food. Okay, good. I am grateful for my friends because they do good company for me. Okay, good. I'm grateful for my parents because they care for us. Okay, good. I am grateful for the chocolate because it gives me happiness. Okay, good. Tarun, what is this? That may be his hand. That may be hands of. That may be hands of policeman. No, it is not hands of only one person. To live a life comfortably, there are many people doing something for us. Today, my bus driver dropped me at school safely. When I reach school, my place is very clean because of nannies. Teachers taking care of us for the whole day. We meet these people every day. There are some people we never met in our life, but their hands are working for us to keep us in comfort zone. If we start to think like this, we will be grateful for everyone and everything. Gratitude is a heart-centered approach to being at peace with yourself and with all you have. When you practice this feeling of gratitude, it attracts even more things into your life for which to be grateful. Go